Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Apple ID settings because changing a contact number is a security operation. Open Settings, tap your name, then choose Password and Security. You need two-factor codes. Once done, select Edit next to Trusted Phone Numbers. Make sure to have the new number ready to receive SMS or calls. Apple requires verification. Don't leave halfway. Keep the device unlocked and connected so the verification step completes without interruption, which prevents lockouts. You continue by adding the new contact number. Tap Add a Trusted Phone Number and enter it with country code. Choose whether to receive a text or call. Apple sends a verification code to prove you control that number. When the code arrives, enter it promptly because codes expire. Once verified, you can remove the old number by tapping the minus icon. If you use multiple devices, repeat or check them. Changes propagate, but sometimes require re-authentication on other devices. You finish by confirming the new number displays under Trusted Phone Numbers and testing a quick sign and that triggers a code. This ensures the number works. Once done, make sure other devices accept the change. Sign out and back in where necessary. If verification fails, try requesting the code again, choose call instead of text, or restart the device and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: if you can't receive codes at all, use a trusted device to generate a verification code, or contact Apple ID support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.